They get a little bit of turbulence off the hill. Keep your eyes on them now for their opening maneuver. He's now going to pull up into the hover at 1,000 feet. And then keep your eyes on it because he's going to pull the nose up until the helicopter is upside down and then will dive away towards the ground again. We call it the Blue Eagle's backflip. And over he goes. Diamond formation. And you can actually see how close the rotors are together there. Now he's pulled 90 degrees nose up, wait until the speed washes off to 0, and then go straight into a 90 degrees nose down. 9.5 out of 10 for that. The one on the right was just a little slow coming forward. Back into there. I think we'll give him 10 out of 10 for that one. As he pulls back up into the hover again at 1,000 feet. And this time he's going to perform the backflip sideways onto the crowd, just so that you can see it's not an optical illusion. He really does turn that thing upside down. Just waiting for the gazelles to clear the stage now, and positioning at 1,000 feet. And over he goes again. Racing in now, trying to catch that lynx, get in formation before our calls for the pull-up. And there goes the pull-up for the spread eagle. And with that manoeuvre, we conclude the display.